Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama
$80 million. That is how much I've generated with digital real estate.
Oh,
And if you
yeah.
don't know what that is, don't.
80 million. I like that number. Here we go.
I'm understanding this business of creation better now than I ever have before. I'm seeing evidence of it in many aspects of my life. I can generally feel the improvement of the well-being of my body. I am feeling less tension in my being. I do have a sense that there is a vibrational escrow of me, a picture of me in wellness. I can feel that I can make my way there. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Now I'm on to it. I'm getting the hang of this. I feel the inspiration every now and again. I very much appreciate my body. It's been serving me extremely well. There's so many aspects about me that I really appreciate. I like the hardiness of my body. I like the stamina of my body. I love being in this body. I love the tactile deciphering of life through this body. I love the physical nature of this time-space reality. I appreciate so much being focused here. I can feel the source within me pouring through my body at times like this. I can feel the cells of my body tuning up to my appreciation of it. I can feel that here and now, there's no resistance in my being. I have a sense if I could feel like this more of the time, I'd find the alignment in manifestation. I'm looking forward to that. It doesn't matter that it hasn't come yet. It's coming. I like the feeling of it coming. I like getting a handle on this. I can feel that I know what I'm doing. I can feel that I'm tuned into this. I can feel the inspiration beginning to flow. I like the idea of this. What fun this is going to be for me. How fun to watch my body conform to the image that I have of it. This is a ride I'm really excited about taking. I'm happy about where I am and eager about where I'm going. Things are...
Listen, that was Abraham Hicks. Time for me to mix with me. I am the proof. I'm like a 5D alien spaceship travel seat. I'm from the tribe of Judah, red and blue. Pill makes purple, so I'm royalty to you. My loyalty is inside the energy field of my enemies, and the trees, and the keys, and the galaxies. Yeah, we made a star stuff. High on my stardust. I be sniffing me all day. Take a hit of me. Oh, I understand that 3D now. Material things, what you'll see now. End up so senile. Processed foods that got your body on a mood now. Damn, I am vegan. No, I consciously eat just a little, not a bunch. Malcolm and Amido. My divine energy getting you higher. My queens recognize queens. My kings do king things. I'm both a whole woman, a whole being. I love my feminine energy, non-binary. Yes, I am. Oh, I'm Billie Jean, Michael, and I'm Prince, and I'm Maya too. I'm on fire, got the fire crew. We fireproof, purple rainbow, purple angle, a purple angel. I'm like a purple dragon, bringing purple fire. Saint Germain, I want you to know I'm all in my plane. I'm bringing the 5D and 60 closer to reality. Damn, this is such a fucking tragedy, cause most people don't hear the shit that we are giving, cause we yelling. Say we yelling from the kitchen. It's okay, it's a mission. It's so bold to have divine vision, divine knowing, great sense of intuition. I'm telling you, I wish upon a star, I wish upon my heart, that trifold flame inside me, that is unconditional love, willpower with that knowledge, wisdom, accurate knowledge, wisdom, the power, arm, leg, arm, head, Allah, assalamu alaikum, walaikum, salam, bina, kitai, better, she better, Elohim, beginning, God created everything, He let the heavens sing. I'm just doing my own things like my wedding ring. I'm married to myself, married to my game, married to my health, mental and emotional plane, yeah. I'm married to myself, married to my game, married to my mental and emotional health, yeah. Yeah. I married me. Stay blessed and highly flavored.